Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. And if you're looking for royal furniture, luxury furniture, designer furniture, customized furniture for you, I have several units to show you here. The real royal furniture, how it's made and how it looks. All the items I'm going to show you now in this video are made in solid teak wood with dual finish, the black paint with gold leafing. It's not paint, the gold part that you're looking at, it's gilding or gold leafing. And in this video, I have a dining set, a 6 chair, though it's the size of an 8-seater, but the chairs are 6. Then I have a very beautiful, amazingly designed sofa set along with 2 chairs. Then I have a TV unit right at my back and a showcase console, a console with a mirror frame, side tables, so much to show you, and the artistic work that we do, the amazing carving work that our artisans in India are doing. This is not imported furniture. Though the designs are Egyptian, but the work is entirely Indian. The crafting work, designing work, painting work, cushion work, everything in this is done here, right here by local Indian artisans. What should I start with? Let's start with the sofa set here. Very artistically designed sofa. I'll remove some cushions so you can see the back design also. Here you can see the back design. It's a 3-seater. Here I have a 4-seater. In fact, the sizes are 4-seater. It's a 9 feet unit out and out. This is 7 feet out and out. Back height is 52 inches, a 4 inches more than 4.5 feet. So very close to 5 feet. And front to back, this is 36 inches. The base part, as you can see, is a little coming out. So the depth is a little more than usual. Along with this, I have a nice big table here. There's 6 feet left to right, 3 feet depth. And again, a quite amazingly artistically designed unit. The work that you're looking at here is just not the woodwork. Everything from the raw unit to the finishing stage, there are several steps that are taken to get the unit this finish, this quality, and the durability that we talk about. You can get the same furniture in fiber also. There are a lot of companies working in the fiber structures, but this is solid teak wood. The sofa I've shown you in a video earlier also. Along with this, a beautifully designed clock that matches the overall theme. And you can see the work here again in teak wood and gold leafing. The size of the clock is 6.5 feet high. This is 2 feet left to right and front to back, 12 inches. Because there's a box at the back also. And the work is right visible here. Along with this, we have got side tables also, 2 round side tables. I'll just show you. Here we have a side table. I'll give you the sizes for this one also. This is 2 feet and the height is 2 feet again. So 2 feet round and 2 feet high, the side tables we have here. Moving on, we have a beautifully designed TV unit, one of the best TV units we have ever made so far. This is 10 feet out and out, this part. And this unit is 7 feet out and out. And I think it's more than 9 feet high. And this area is for the TV. The work is right here. And the depth of the console, I'll just check, is 20 inches. The depth of the console, the height should be 30. There's 30 inches, 2.5 feet high. Along with this, let's see this console, one of the top designs of consoles. It is 3 feet high, yes, and the depth we have is 20 inches again. Left to right, this is 5 feet. Let's look at the design, very artistically done with the gold leafing and the black paint on this to get it the desired look. Another quite interesting and very useful product that is used for decoration as well as to enhance overall look of your living room or maybe the dining area is a showcase. This is also known as crockery unit, or you can use it as a showcase. This one is 6.5 feet left to right, front to back 24 inches with the elevation we have in the front, and the height is 7.5 feet. Total height is quite high unit, and we have a door here, we have a door here, and a door this side. We have got the glass work done, and this is the overall look. You can see the grandness, the structure, the work with the gold leafing and the black paint, all done by hand, artistic hands, master artisans. Now here we have the chairs. In fact, these chairs are along with the sofa set. Just for the setup we have put here. The chair out and out is 4 feet left to right. Back height is close to 6 feet. Front to back 30 inches, 2.5 feet. Quite wide and an extra royal chair that gives the complete look to your room. When you have something really grand, it should look grand. Not just grand, but royal also. And the work should speak for itself. In fact, the more I say about these products, this furniture, that this would limit my words. I don't have that many words to explain this, but the work is rightly visible here. Along with this console with a mirror frame, this console is 4.5 feet left to right, front to back 18 inches. The height is 30 inches. Yes, 30 inches. And this frame is 2.5 feet wide and 4 feet high. And along with this, we have got a sitting chair. This is 2.5 feet by 18 inches. The height is 18 inches again. Looking very comfortable. It's a nice thing to have. You can place it anywhere also. Along with this dressing, it's looking really good. Moving on to the dining set has got 6 chairs. In fact, the size is of 8-seater. The top is 8 feet by 4 feet, but this is a 6-chair set that the client wanted, and it's a double carved unit. The chair, you can see the carving at the back as well on the front, and this is how the set is done. The chair is 2 feet out, 2 feet front to back, and it's more than 4 feet high. Let me give you the exact size. This is 51 inches for the back height, and this is the front view. Quite spacious, wide opening, and the designing work you can see everywhere. 360-degree carved, a beautiful design for the dining table, a 360-degree carved unit with very artistic work. There are broadly two things. If you The dining generally comes in the middle of the room. Wherever you place it, generally we have space from all the sides, so double carving looks really good. And if you have sofa, this sofa also has double carving. I'll play a clip that I made earlier. In that clip, you can see the back carving as well. And when you are placing the stuff in the middle of the room, where you can see from the back as well, the double carving looks really amazing, because the entire look is very different. Once this set reaches the place, I'll definitely have some photographs from the client, and then I'll show you how this stuff looked once it is in proper setup. Because here we have a standard place, standard floor, so it doesn't add up to the total value. But in the proper theme, this always looks so amazing when it reaches the final place. And that's why we have got thousands of testimonials on the website that can show you how the stuff looks when it reaches the place in a proper setup, with the flooring, the wall color, the wallpapers or the lights, chandeliers and the carpets, everything when placed together properly, it looks really amazing. There are finally 3 points I like to mention here. First, everything you are looking at is teak wood. Teak wood, solid wood, so these are very durable items. Point number two, everything is customized to client's requirement. That is why we call our furniture choice wala furniture, because you like this color or not. You want something else, we'll do it. You want a different fabric, we'll provide that. You want an additional chair, you want a chair with a handle, we can provide you that. You want along with this sofa something else, you want different sizes. So size, design, colors, fabrics, everything is as per the client's choice. And when everything is as per your choice, definitely the furniture is choice wala furniture. The third point is about the pricing. We are making here and you're receiving at your home. That is in India or out of India. 55 countries we have already delivered to. So when you have home delivery from the factory itself, the price is always the best price. The factory price, the best deal. So you are getting the best quality, best food, your choice, delivery to your home, and the brand of Aarsun. You can go to YouTube. There are more than 1,500 videos where we have explained our stuff, shown different items, almost every home item, and in different formations, colors, sizes, designs, fabrics, as per the choices. So you tell us what you want, we'll make that and deliver to your place. Hope you like the work. If you have any question, the number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.